Experience the all-new hospitality.com. Better search, better design, and better results.
My name is.
Mr. Raj, good evening.
Hi, good evening. I'm happy to see there are 25 people already online and more are joining. I think there would be close to 100 people because that's the max which is allowed today. Thank you so much for joining us for this masterclass, and I'm very happy to be showing you how this new website works. And it has taken 1.5 years for us to develop this new platform, and it's really been a challenging game. My team in India, we set up an office in India with our own IT team, headed by Ashish, our country manager in India, and we have developed an amazing platform. So let me give you a little brief before I jump into the website. We launched hospitality.com in 2008. Now 2008, as a job board. There was one very popular job board, and there were many more. I don't want to take names, but there were job boards, and we wanted to see how we can do something with loads of jobs around. It was doing well for a few years, and then we realized that only jobs may not work. So we had two options. One option was to compete with the existing job boards, which are still there, and the other option was to rise above the competition and fight with the larger players in the market. So we decided to do the second part. We decided to rise above the competition and fight with the larger players in the market. So today, we are proud to say that our competition is moved, and it is not a job board, it is LinkedIn now. So I can openly say the name. So we are competing with LinkedIn and Facebook for business. Let me show you a little. A lot of you have already have accounts on the website, so you've seen how the site works. But let me show you how I would want people to see how the sites would work. If you'd like to put on your videos, you can. Please, just keep your mics muted, but you can always put on your video so I can probably have a look at your faces while we're talking. And I would be sharing my screen to show you different options that we have. There are so many options there. So we will start with, I have made a list with me here to show you what all you can do. So we'll start with we'll start with basic features, and then we will move on to the free features that you can do on the website, like you do on LinkedIn or Facebook. There are many more that you can do with us, and then we will talk about the packages and other things that we have developed. So let's dive right in. I will start sharing my screen to show you. So basically, I'll do one thing. I'll share two screens of two uh, browsers. One is hospitality.com account, and one is a professional account. So we'll talk about hospitality.com account right now, and then we will. So I hope everybody can see my screen. This is hospitality.com's account on hospitality. Okay. So when any company creates an account, it opens like this. So basically what happens is, if you go on visit my profile, you would see how your profile looks like on hospitality. So it's a branded profile. You have sections for your timeline, where whatever you do shows on your timeline. You have a section for jobs, so all your jobs will be posted under this. So you have your own section for all your jobs. People can actually search inside your company. You have your products, you have your promotions, gallery, news and articles, events, and reviews. So all these things are your own. So this all right. So if you go on home, you would be able to see, this is basically your company timeline on hospitality. So later on, you would go there. So you have about us with all your social media links. you have a gallery where you can post pictures. If you have promotions, they'll show here. If you have jobs, they'll all show here. If you have news and articles, they'll come here. You have team members posted, added, they will all show here. And then if you have testimonials added, they will also show here. So basically, this is like a mini site, and it's free. So anybody can just join the website and create an account. So once you've created an account, you automatically get a page like this, and you can update your page if you have not. There are quite a few companies who have not updated their pages. So I would expect, if later on probably you can go and update your pages. You can just update from to update the page. You have to just go to manage profile, and from here you can update whatever you would like to, whichever section you would like to. It's all there. So if you click on manage profile, you have all these sections. So you can update all these pages, social media links, and you can change email addresses, usernames, and so on and so forth. So the entire system is here. While we are here, there's another thing that I want to show you. Is there is privacy option for professionals and individuals and companies. So if you click on privacy, you have your own privacies where you can decide who would follow you, who can post in your timeline, who also all these details are here. If you want to show on your Mind Network page or not, profile recommendations, and so on and so forth. So all these options are here. You also have options of email notifications. So whatever emails you would like to receive, you can tick. If you don't want to receive a particular email, you can say, you can decide what you want to change. You can change all these sections, right? So you have an option of changing everything in your profile, and then show your profile to the world the way you would like to. So this is basically a company profile on hospitality.com. Now it's also important that to know that the website now is not only a job board. So it's basically for institutes. So if you click here on top, you would see institutes. There are 118 institutes at the moment around the world. Now these institutes come on the website to publish courses on the website, to go in the marketplace. If they have a deal, promotion, announcements, they can get a free alumni page on the website. So if there are any institutes here with us, they can publish articles, they can publish events, and they can publish participate in our awards that we do. Then we have companies. Now these are the companies. Basically, it's the entire industry: airlines, amusement parks, associations, catering companies, consulting, cruise lines, hotels, restaurants. So it's a huge industry. It's over 18 sub industries. There are 811 companies at the moment, and then these companies can come and publish jobs in the marketplace, in on the website, deals and promotion announcement in the marketplace, articles, events, and also participate in our awards. Then we have suppliers. So this is the third most important business partner. We have 853 suppliers. These are suppliers of services, and so we have suppliers for air conditioning, audiovisual, food, beverages, and so on and so forth. So they can come and publish in the marketplace. They can publish article, events, and participate in our awards. So if you click on courses, let me give you a little brief. We have about 99 courses, Dubai College of Tourism, and all these worldwide courses. More courses join on a daily basis. We have jobs. Now if you click on jobs on top, you would see we have over 13,000 jobs on the website. So you can actually further shortlist here on the left hand side, and apply for a job, or do whatever you like. There's a marketplace where suppliers of products and services can publish their products. So there could be a sanitizer, there could be a furniture, botanical art, promotions, hotel offers, anything. So you can search by type, location, and all. And then it's easy. You can just post a product. If you have a corporate account, you can just post a product and use the site. Alumni pages for institutes, articles. These are all news and articles, promotions. So we have all these sections, latest news, on the move, reviews, interviews. So these are all sections. Events around the world, and obviously we do 3 awards every year. We organize the Middle East Hospitality Excellence Awards for the last 7 years. We do Hospitality Chef Excellence Awards for the last 4 years, 5 years actually. And we've started, we just launched the Indian Hospitality Excellence Awards. Nominations are coming. We've received over 200, and more are coming. 15th of this month is the deadline. So this is the entire platform. Platform is not just jobs, it's a lot more. It's a community that we have built, which can benefit, using the platform. So obviously, the site works in a way that you have to follow something to be able to see their details on the timeline. So if you're following a company, you will see everything that they post in your timeline. If you follow a professional, you would see everything on your timeline, and then you can like, comment, share, and do various activities. Right now, these sections like courses, jobs, marketplace, articles, events, awards, these are all open to everybody. So we like Hospitality Group has 106,000 followers. So everything that Hospitality Group posts will go to everybody, but we have over 1.1 million members. So these sections are open for everybody. Now, how the site works is that once you create an account, creation of account is free. So once you create an account on the website, whether it's a company or institute or a supplier, the second step you should do is you should go and verify your account. So if you try and post a job, it'll ask you for verification. Verification is very simple. It's like Facebook verification. You get a blue tick once your account is verified. So you have to just fill up a small form. You have to attach a copy of your trade license or whatever it's asked for, and submit. Once you submit, we check and we verify your account. So only verified accounts are allowed to use these sections, nobody else. So we don't want to become the next website where all junk is posted. So we want to post only verified listings on our website. So only verified accounts are allowed to use all these sections on top, right? So now once your account is verified, so verification is free. Once your account is verified, you can publish anything on all these sections free of charge. uh, Article posting is always free. So if you have an account on the website, please update. You have to update your account properly. Once the account is updated, apply for verification. Once the account is verified, you can publish articles free of charge. There's no cost, never ever a cost on this. So you will, once you post an article, it will show on timeline for everybody. It shows to everybody, and you will be able to also see how many views have the article got on the website. So older articles, you would have 45,000 views, 47,000 views. In new articles have less views. So obviously you will. So this is free for any company. Now let me also show you what are the different packages that we have. So you'll be wondering if we would ask for money. Obviously, yes. I mean, we have to run the website, so we ask for money. But if you clicked on packages, you would see here there are three different packages that we have. So one is pay as you go. So let's say you want to post a job, you need 3 credits to post a job. Now, one credit value is $50. Now, obviously, this value is different in every country. So this is good for Dubai. Maybe the cost in India is different. So when you log in into the site from your country, you will see your cost. So whatever the cost is, it will show you here. One credit is $50. You have to use 3 credits. So you basically buy 3 credits for $150, and you can post a job. The job stays online for 28 days, and you can receive CVs on email. You can also use credit for CV download. You can use credits for product posting. You can use credit for courses posting, and so on and so forth. So the entire thing is here. The other option that we have is corporate contract, which is very simple. An annual access to use the website for unlimited services, unlimited jobs, unlimited database search, unlimited announcements, promotions, everything. And there is a cost. We negotiate, we discuss, and we sign up an agreement for 12 months. You get unlimited credits to use in various sections on the website, right? Then we also have free accounts. So every company who joins the website automatically becomes a pay on performance account, right? So posting is always free. You only pay on results. So let's say you have a posting of a general manager. So what will happen is you can post the job free of charge. The account will say pay on performance. You'll post the job free of charge, but now you've received 70 applications. So what will happen is when you go to your manage job section, okay, this is your manage jobs after you've posted a job. So it will show you for this position, you have received 124 applications, and it also shows you that you have matching profiles of 5146 on our website for this position. Now, when you click on applications or matching profiles, you will see here that there are 124 applications. You will see basic details of the person. You do not see the name and the contact details, right? You can even further shortlist and say you want only females. Say search from 124, it came down to 16. This is the accounts receivable position, right? Now you can say, you want only based in UAE. So you will, let's say you want only based in UAE. So you will search, it will further shortlist to 14 people based in UAE. Now you want to view this contact detail of this person or download the profile. Then you have to use your package option. So you have to use 1 credit equal to 10 CV downloads. Now, you want to actually, you have gone to your responses and you've seen 14. Now you want to select all, and all these 14 you want to, you can update status email candidates. From here you can just, shortlisted, and you can send them an email, or you have an option of adding to a folder. So you can create folders and add them to your folders, like shortlisted, rejected. You can forward to somebody, to your employees. If you have added employees, I will show you how to do manage users. You can download the entire thing as Excel. So what happens is that when you're downloading, let's say you want to download these 14, when you download, they open as an Excel sheet on the website with their contact details and everything. Now you can actually, offline contact them. So for these you need credits. So if you have a corporate account, then you would be able to use your credits that you have unlimited, and use on the website. If you do not have a corporate account, and if you have only pay on performance account, then obviously you have to use your credits. So you have to buy credits from the package options and use them on the site. Now, same thing happens to matching profiles. Now I'm showing you here 5,156 matching profiles. Now, how this works is that, if you click on this, you will open 5,146 entries here. Now, you want only people based in UAE. So you will say, I don't want people outside the U country, uh, only UAE. So this will show you 2,280 matching profiles. Now, these are matching for this position. We do a broad search based on present and past job role and department, right? So you want, let's say you want only line level stuff. You don't want, or supervisory together. You don't want others. So you'll search, it'll show you 1158 supervisors and staff line level in UAE. Now from here, if you would like to contact this person, download the CV, or use one of these options on top, you would have to use your credits. If you have unlimited contract, you have unlimited credits. If you don't, you will have to use. So you can download the entire thing. So you can download the 50 CVs together at one time, and then download as an Excel and use them. So there are quite a few clients who use this service, which is matching profiles, right? So when you post a job, you automatically go to your manage section, and you automatically see here how many views have happened, how many applications, how many. So this was reposted today, so that's why the views became 0. But otherwise, you would see here views, you would see how many applications, how many matching profiles, and so on and so forth. So basically the site gives you all these information, right? Now, so we've to post a job, it's very, very simple. You have to just, so if you have a pay on performance. Sorry, before I move to post a job, let me also show you uh, that you also can earn points on the website. So you do these activities and you earn some points, and then 30 points can be converted into a credit. So let's say you want to use the site free of charge, and you want to post a job and get CVs or do different things. So you earn points here. It will show you how many points you have. It shows you here how many credits you have and how many points you have. So you can use those points, you can convert those points into credits and use them to for these services that we're talking about. So even professionals can earn points. I will show you the professionals part separately, but professionals can earn points and become featured members like LinkedIn Premium. We have quite a few services that they can use on the website. They can feature themselves, save their profile, and so on and so forth. So earn points on the website, right? There's another thing that is important. The site is in all these languages. So, you can convert the site in Arabic, Mandarin, French, Spanish, Russian, and German right now. The entire site can be converted in these languages, and so from different countries. There's another very interesting feature on hospitality. So now you'll see here, when I click on jobs, okay, uh, you will see that the job that shows me on top is from Dubai, because my from UAE, because my account is based in UAE. So you'll see here Sharjah, you'll see here Sharjah. If I click on companies, you would see details of companies in the UAE on top. Now, the site works on a system where whichever country you're coming from, the data will show you accordingly. So we don't want to show you a wrong data. So, if you change your current country, let's say I change my current country to Canada. So I am now in Canada, I'm not in Dubai anymore. And if I save, uh, you will see the entire data on the site will automatically change to show me data from Canada now. Let's say we click on companies, it'll automatically change to data from from Canada. It will not show me Dubai. You can always do a location search here, but otherwise, even jobs. So we don't want to show people from US things in Dubai. We can, but they can always search, and on Google search, you will always find them. But if you would see everything based on the location you are coming from, so it's more relevant for people. So people from India can look at Indian jobs, Indian application courses, Indian products in the marketplace. So it always works as per your location, right? Now, once you log in, you will see here there is a timeline. We have featured sections, and on the left hand side, it will show you how much is your profile, what has happened, it's complete, not complete, or you have to add something. Then you have sections for your manage options. You can manage your users, manage profile, manage folder manager, manage products. Now let's say we give you an option. Once you have an account on the website, you can create multiple users on the website. How this works is that it's same like users on your account on LinkedIn or Facebook, where users have access to do different things. So if you click on manage users here, right, uh, you would see that your followers will show you down here. So the first step is, it says here, your employees have to join as a professional on the website. So let's say I want my HR manager, HR assistant to also be my admin and use various sections. So my HR assistant will have to join as a professional and follow your company. So she will have to join as a professional and then follow hospitality group. Then hospitality group has to follow her back. So once both are following each other, this details will show here down in here. So you can search them. And then if you want to add this person as your admin, you can choose what section you want to give them and then add them as admin. So if you give them an access to click on jobs, they will be able to publish jobs, they will be able to do manage job section, they will be able to see matching CVs, and so on and so forth. If you give them option to products, to events, to articles, it will automatically, they will become your admin. They will show in under your employees. They will also show you under your admin section, and they can do various activities on your behalf. So you can have multiple admins. You can have an admin as F&B director, you can have an admin your front office manager, and they could do their own recruitment. The marketing manager can publish their own articles on the website under your name, and everything happens under your name. But obviously it's a company account and you have multiple users using the website. The other option is folder manager. So if you click on folder manager, you will see you can create multiple folders, where in your job manage job section, you can actually add CVs into the folder. So you can create folders and you can give access to people, so your employees can have access. So one folder you want to give it only to general manager. The other folder you want to give it to the F&B. So you've created folders, and then from your manage job section, you can add these applications to a folder. And later on, you can you only have to go to the folder manager and see what is there inside the folder manager, and take action accordingly, right? So this is another option on the website. Then we have, you can manage all these sections. Now there's another thing which is called search profile. Now this is database search on the website. So how this works is that this access is only for the main user of the uh, account. Now if you click on search profiles, it will show you here 72,876 right now recently active candidates. So it basically shows you these are featured professionals. These are the ones who've earned points, or they've bought a featured membership. So they show on top. It shows you when this person was last active. So it shows you this was active on this day. So it shows you when were they last active, right? Now here you can do a search by profile. So let's say you're looking for a restaurant manager. You can do a search for a restaurant manager. It shows you 632 restaurant managers recently active in the last 6 months, right? Now it'll give you a list of 632 recently active restaurant managers. Now you can from here further shortlist and say you want only people based in United Arab Emirates, restaurant managers based in UAE, 215 restaurant managers based in UAE. Now you want to do other filters, you do other filters. And then if you want to do you want to see his profile, or you want to download his profile, you would be able to see based on your credits. So if you have unlimited access, you can always just open, or just click. uh, it'll say, it'll deduct credits. You say yes, because obviously you have unlimited credit. So you just say visit profile. It'll open the profile of the person and show you with details like this. So his details are there. It all depends also on privacy of the person. So it shows a profile of the person, right? uh, if you would like to download, you can download this profile and save it on your computer. It'll deduct credits. You have unlimited credits, you don't have to worry about it. And you can see the profile on, this is the CV of the person. So basically you are allowed to do anything based on your credits. You can use the search profile option. All right, now then let's go back to dashboard. This dashboard gives you information on whatever you have done on the website. It will give you details of how many jobs were posted, how many applications were received, my connections. And if you click on these buttons, they'll open their own sections. So if you have any featured articles, it will basically give you all information about your account on the website, right? So posting a job is very simple. You just have to go to the job section, uh, click on jobs, or click on manage jobs, and from both the places you can just post a job. So if you click on post a job, there's a form which opens up. You fill up a title, you pick up industry, you pick up job level, job role, department, all these filters. Basic details are already here. If you don't want to change, you can just leave it like this. If you have your own description, you can just copy paste. Employment type, a few details. Here you have option of forwarding some this to somebody. So if you click on forward, the CV for this position will go to this email address. If you don't, then it will go to your default email address on the website. You can also advertise walk-ins. If you would like to advertise a walk-in from this day to this day. You have filter questions where you can add filter questions. You can auto reject. So if you do, let's say you are based in India, if this person says no, he will be auto rejected, and then that CV will not come to you on email. So we have all these custom questions. And then you also have option of hiding complete information. So if you hide complete information, then you don't the jobs don't show you. If there is a job link that you want the people to go and apply, you just put the job link here. The CV does not come to you on email. The candidates will be routed to your job link to apply for the job. So you can add a job link here. So all these options are available where you are posting a job. You preview the job and publish it. So once the job is published, it automatically shows on the main page. Same thing happens for a product in the marketplace. Let's say you want to publish a product, just go to manage products. uh, a supplier, if there are suppliers here, they can just post a product, offer promotion or deal. Even hotels can publish a deal once they so new or used. So let's say a restaurant is selling used furniture, they're closing down, so you can publish a used, and they will select a condition here, or it's new. They will title, category, what are they selling, price, they can say amount or contact for price. It's very simple. Current location, city, if there's a video, there's a website link, you can have tags, you can include pictures and publish. So basically the product will be published on the website. uh, Publishing of a product, publishing of a course, publishing of a job for pay and performance users is free at all times. You only pay if you want to view a contact details of the person who applied or the person who contacted you. You have to pay, but otherwise it's free. We also have a section for rating and reviews, where you can ask for people to rate you, or you can there's a section which will uh, with your website, it will show you how many reviews you've received, uh, and what are the reviews. You can reply to those reviews, and it will give you a star rating. So it always shows you, you have a review section where people can review you. You can ask your followers to come and review you. Just click on ask followers and start typing uh, the name. It'll give you a list. You can request them, so when they come next time to the site, they can review you. So these and then it will always show you against your company name the stars that you received, uh, but these reviews cannot be deleted. So you can always report a review, but we check if it is, even if it is a negative review, if it's negative, it's negative. Reviews, they have to be authentic. So we don't delete reviews normally. So this is the reviews. So basically these are the sections, these are the things that you can do on the website. There's another thing that we have, it's called my network, where we show you data based on your so we have featured professionals, we have featured companies, recommended companies for you, recommended suppliers for you, professionals have their own system where they can see recommended professionals and follow them, right? So this is basically details about the website. Now there's another very important thing that we have launched. It's called Business Solutions. This is just launched last week. So you can create solutions for your own website. uh, if you click on Business Solutions, the entire thing is explained, and shown here. There's a video which shows you how to use white label solutions. So what we have done is that, let's say you have a website which does not have a career page, or you have a career page which says, there are certain vacancies that you can send us a CV on email at whatever email address you have. So we provide you a free career page on the website. So what you have to do is you have to just go. There should be job listings on your account on Hospitality. Once you have job listings on your account on Hospitality, you just say select here, input the details of the website where you want to use the code. So let's say you want to use the code on any website. You can just put that email address, the website here, and pick up category code and generate a code. So once you generate a code, uh, let me show you what will happen. You automatically go to your manage business solutions, and there is a code which will be generated. So let's try it right now. uh, let's generate a code, and let's so if you want to post your code in this website, and say I want to generate a code. Now this code is generated, right? Now this is the code. So you have to just copy this code and go on Hospitality PR. The IT department can actually pick up to open a job career page on your website, and go and post that code in the HTML of that page. So what will happen is that you will have on your website, you will have a page like this. You will see all the jobs from our website automatically on yours under your own branding. This is your website. So if you click on this, let's say you click on this, we are showing you Asiana Hotel because obviously we created a code for them and just posted here. So here is the job that people can actually apply, and only your jobs show on this page, and people can actually apply directly on this page. So this is your website. So you just apply, and everything happens in background on hospitality.com, but it is happening on your website. So you can have codes for jobs, courses, products, news and articles, promotions, all these. So if you have, let's say you have news and articles on hospitality, you can just create a code from the code page and show here. So automatically all your news and articles will start showing on this page. People can actually come, your website visitors will be able to read the entire article on your own website without even going on hospitality.com. So a normal person would not even know that this is coming from hospitality.com. So this is a free service. As long as you have data on hospitality on various sections, you can generate a code and use. So later on, maybe you can click on business solutions and maybe have a look at this video that we have created here, how it works. You can read about it. You can generate codes and use them on your website. It gives you the solution benefits. There's also later on, maybe you can go here on the left hand side and click on watch videos, which will give you details of all the sections that we spoke about, little more here and there. Features of the new website, how to create a free account, how to create a company account, how to manage users on the website, free articles. All these videos are here, so you can always click on the video and learn about packages, points and credits, learn how to do database search, and so on and so forth. So these all sections are you can later on have a look. You can always click on your credits, points, details. Click here, it'll show you how many points you've earned, how many credits you spent. You can redeem credits here directly. You can see your purchase history, you can see everything. So it gives you all these details of all activities that you do on the website. It can also be seen here, manage subscription. You can also see something called featured settings. Click on this and see that you can feature your articles, your courses, products based on your credits, points, and you can upgrade your plan and so on and so forth. So basically this is something about corporate accounts on the website. Now professional accounts and student accounts are a little different because they don't have options to publish articles, events, jobs, marketplace, courses, and so on and so forth. They can always use the site free of charge, like they would use their account on LinkedIn for various activities. Creation of account is free. They can join as a professional or a student, and they can download their profile as a PDF and do various activities. Now basically this is all that I wanted to. We are also available on app stores, so you can go on Apple or Android, look for hospitality, you will find them. You can download it and use on app stores. This is mainly what I wanted to show about the website. Now I would be happy to take any questions or anything that you would like to ask. I'd be more than happy to answer. Maybe you can do one by one. I think there are quite a few chats. Let me just read out. Okay. Some of them not blurry for me. Blurry, not blurry. Yes, blurry. It's clear. Okay. People are actually.
Hi Raj, good evening from Millennium Airport Hotel.
Yes, sir. Hi, how are you?
So I have just quick one. Of course, thank you for the detailed explanation.
Yes.
I think the more we navigate, we'll have a lot of questions. So just want to know when we navigate, will there be any live support where we can ask the questions? So I'm sure the more we navigate, we'll have a lot of questions.
So what we will do is, if you please, once you navigate, once you create an account, you start using it, update the account properly, apply for verification. Once you have done that, if you have questions, you can always, there's no live support, but we can always give you a separate demo. My team in Dubai, Jenny is online here. So Jenny would do a demo. My team in India is also able to do demos. So anytime you need, any help in terms of database search or posting a job, or posting an article or anything, we the other thing that we provide is also support in terms of posting. So let's say you want us to help you with postings, you just have to send us the job postings on email anytime. You can send us the jobs and we publish them on the website in your name, on your behalf. That we can do anytime. But otherwise, you can use, if there's a problem, if there's a question, you can always contact us. We are always available 24/7.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So Jenny will be the main contact of.
Jenny will be there for in Dubai, yes, but I'm always available, so not a problem at all.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Any other questions anybody has, please feel free to ask. And let me know if you like to ask anything, any concerns, anybody else. Any other questions? No? Okay, so thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can always email them to me. You can send me a WhatsApp. My details are there, available with everybody. You can always add me on Hospitality. I have 100,000 plus followers. Add me on Hospitality. Send me a message there. I'm always available. And thank you so much for your time again. And we will look forward to working with you. And somebody wants to have a one-to-one call, yes, of course, we can certainly have one-to-one call later on. Send me a message on WhatsApp or email me, and we will set up a time. Not a problem at all. Anybody wants to talk to me directly, or anybody else in my team, we will certainly set up a time. If there's any other question, you can type it on chat, or you can ask me here directly. No problem at all. Right. So thank you so much for your time, and we have recorded this, so we will be publishing it on YouTube. I'll share the links with why when sharing pictures always say size is big. Yes, so there is a size that we have set on the website, so you have to probably resize the picture. Just resize it as a document. It should be okay. It should not be a problem. But obviously, a huge size, we still have to reach there. So once we reach that level where we are with the Facebook or LinkedIn, we will automatically, we were changing quite a few things. So at the moment, please resize the picture and publish it. Should be okay. But if you try and publish a size which is more than 1 MB, I think it gets stuck. So it'll ask you to resize. We have to just do that for now. Anything else? Adrian, I hope you're okay. All right. So the nominate. Good. Thank you. The nominations are on till the 15th. So we've received over 300 nominations in Dubai. More are coming in. I mean, we'll be expecting a huge award ceremony this year in Dubai. So please feel free to nominate. Tell your friends, clients. Tell your friends to join website. You can also earn points on the website. So please use the site to your to like you do LinkedIn, right? Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Bye.
Experience the all-new Hospitality.com. Better search, better design, and better results.